doggy doing? Is he playing? Is he funny? Is that doggy funny? Oh my gosh, what is he doing? He's a silly doggy. Oh my gosh, that's the first laugh I've heard out of you. That doggy's cracking you up. That's a funny doggy. That's Riley. He's silly. Isn't he silly? You're so cute. He's playing with his chipmunk.